Want to know how to edit out who can send you messages or who can deliver you messages in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first thing first, simply open up your Messenger application, and once you've done that, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing menu right here. So once you have selected menu, on the top you should be seeing settings. So just simply select settings and then scroll down. So once you've scrolled down, you should be seeing security and privacy, that is privacy and safety. So just simply select it, and once you select privacy and safety, under who can reach you, you should be seeing message delivery right here. So just simply select it. Now once you select message delivery here, you can just simply choose who can send you messages, message requests and chats as well. So you can just simply adjust accordingly and you're good to go. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.